SSLC exam is very close and many students are worried about science. But don't worry, if you follow this simple 10-day study plan, you can still score 90 plus marks in science. Let's see what you should study in each day. Day 1. On day 1, focus on biology, life processes. Understand topics like nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Also, practice drawing the heart and nephron diagrams because diagrams give easy marks in the exam. On day 2, study control and coordination. Focus on how the nervous system and hormones work. Practice diagrams of the neuron and brain. On day 3, study how do organisms reproduce, learn the important terms and processes, and revise the important diagram from the chapter. On day 4, study heredity and evolution, understand genetic inheritance and practice Punnett square questions, which are often asked in exams. On day 5, revise our environment and natural resources. Focus on important definitions, concepts, and MCQs from these chapters. On day 6, start chemistry, chemical reactions, and equations. Practice balancing chemical equations because these questions are very common in exams. On day 7, study acid, bases, and salts. Understand the pH scale and important chemical reactions. On day 8, study physics, light, reflection, and refraction. Practice ray diagrams carefully because they are important for scoring marks. On day 9, study electricity, practice numerical problems and formulas from this chapter. Finally, on day 10, do full revision, solve previous year question papers, and revise important diagrams and formulas. Daily study method. Every day, follow this simple study method. Study 2 hours from NCERT, solve 1 hour MCQs, and practice 30 minutes of diagrams. Now, here is a golden tip if you want to score 90 plus in science. If you want to score 90 plus in science, remember these three things. In biology, focus on practicing diagrams because clear diagrams can easily give you extra marks. In chemistry, make sure you learn and practice chemical equations properly. And in physics, the key to scoring high is solving numerical problems and remembering formulas. If you master these three things, scoring 90 plus in science becomes much easier. So, practice biology diagrams, learn chemistry equations, and solve physics numericals. If you follow this 10-day plan sincerely, you can definitely improve your science score. All the best for your SSLC exams.